everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for coming back. If you are new, my name is Anita Mavita. Please guys, help me to subscribe to my channel and give the video thumbs up. It helps a lot. So today I have you a Primark haul. Guys, I'm so excited, I'm so happy to show you what I have got from Primark. Guys, Primark has improved a lot. Primark has changed a lot, guys. Let's go. Toleka. So the first set I picked up is these two sets. Guys, come on guys, come on guys, come on guys. Primark has changed. Look at this. Look at the top. Look at how the top is. Very beautiful, guys, for summer. This is to show you that you are ready for summer. Even the color is so pretty, it's so beautiful for summertime. Very beautiful, comfortable. It doesn't look cheap, it looks expensive, you know. It looks good, looks beautiful for me. There's nothing to complain, to be honest, guys. I got the top, the size 14, and the price is £12. And then skirt, the bottom, I go the price £12 on size 16. Guys, it's very beautiful. I like it, I love it. It's very beautiful. If you love Primark, yes, this video is for you. So I also got these shoes. It's very nice, comfortable. Look at the heels, it's not that long and it's comfortable, you know. I got that in price. How much? I got the shoes £11. So you can wear like this. Look at this, very beautiful, very nice, with white bag or black bag. Yes, you can wear that, or you can wear with the white one. Look at the white one, you can mix, you know, you can wear with white bag. Look nice, you look classic, not expensive, but you look nice. This is something like for every day, you know, something like for every day, especially when you go for holiday. Something like this, when you go to holiday, you go to the beach, you wear something like this, you know. Summer we have to wear, you know, colorful clothes, you know. It looks nice, it looks nice. Yeah, can you see it? I love it, to be honest. I love it. It's really nice, very beautiful color for summer. I do love it, I like it. That's why I picked up. I know that you guys too, you're gonna like it. So yeah, why not go to Primark, go have a look. You will see yourself how this beautiful it is. You can see on me the way it is. Look at me, look at that. Wow. The next item I picked up, guys, look at this shade. Look at this. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. This is like baby blue. I love baby blue. My god, I am in love with baby blue. Look at this, look at these shades. Very nice. Look at that, very nice guys, very nice, very beautiful. I love it. As I said before, guys, this is the summertime color. This is to show you that summer is coming, guys. Summer is coming. You're going to beach, you're going somewhere, everyday life, you wear like this, guys. You look wow, you look wow. When I say wow, it's wow. So I got this with this skirt. Yeah, you go like this. Look at that, white. Yeah, white and blue. Come on guys, please, guys, come on please. Baby blue and white. Look at how beautiful this it looks. I love it, I love it, guys. Look how beautiful this is. And the material looks nice. It doesn't look cheap, it doesn't look like, you know, something if you wash it the color is gonna come off. No, it looks good, to be honest. It looks good. As I said before, Primark has improved a lot. You know, you can see I got the top on size medium M and the price is $13. And then I got the bottom on size 14. The price is £8. So guys, I don't think so you get lost, you get twist with this one. Famille en tout cas lamba o eza pena kitoko makasi na ndimite pena ko eza biloko moko boy obeta moi tout moi congé et ko sala yo bien na prix moko vraiment normal. Donc voilà, Primark banner I improve a lot, hey, you know, look at that, very beautiful. You can wear with, I got these slippers. Oh, look at this, guys. This one, everyone have this now. If you don't have it, oh my god, I got this one in size 7. Price is £7, you know, £7. Yeah, so if you wait like this, guys, come on please, guys, leave me a good comment there. Tell me what you think. For me, I think it match and it looks beautiful. So simple, you know, simple, guys, simple. You're going to drop kids to school, you know, you just sit down at home, or you're going to do quick shopping in summer when the sun is like flashing. You put it on, guys, you go to the beach, you sit down somewhere. Come on, guys, come on, look at this. These 3 items, look at these slippers and this baby blue shirt and the skirt white one, guys. No, please look at them. But for me, but more in the end, Magambo Izate, Primark Roma, I improve. Look at this. It looks so nice. It doesn't look cheap. It doesn't look like something like, you know, it's not gonna last longer. I think it will last longer because, as I said before, Primark has improved a lot. Primark has changed a lot. So the next item I picked up is this blazer. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, guys, look at this blazer. Hold on, look at this blazer. Let me come close to, no, let me go back. This blazer, guys, it looks nice. Orange, oh my god, I love orange. Come on, guys, look at this blazer. It looks so nice, classic, you know, very nice, classic. And then the shorts, look at the shorts. It looks nice when you put it on, both of them like this. Wow, you put it on both of them like this, it looks very nice. Going to dinner, some night outing, you go somewhere, you go to birthday party, you go to barbecue party, you look nice, beautiful, with nice hairstyle, with like white bag, white shoes. You know, it depends on you. In summer we need to wear some colorful clothes. Don't wear too much black clothes, otherwise you will feel hot. Yeah, look at this set. Look at this, very beautiful. Look at that. Wow, very beautiful. So I got this vest in size M, £8, and then I got the pants, the shorts. Yeah, the shorts, I got that size 16 and price is £12 only. And the blazer I got in size 14, £22. You know, blazer is £22 in size 14. I got the shirt in size 16, £12, and then I got the vest £8. But no, na zi veste oyo na 22 livres, pantalon na 12 livres, single na 8 livres. En tout cas, vraiment bien mon robotala. Look at this orange. For me, I think if you wear it like this with white bag, white shoes, it will look nice. Even you put with this, even you put with this one, it will look nice with white. Latina sandal, or you wear with these sandals just like this with white bag, nice hair, nice makeup. Come on, guys. Nice hair, nice makeup with white bag. Someone will ask you, where did you get this blazer from Primark? It depends the way you put it on. It depends the way you dress yourself. Do some nice makeup, nice bag, nice shoes. You look stunning, you look beautiful, you look expensive, you look like wow. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. My last item I picked up is white. Wow, guys, I love white. Yes, I love white, but my favorite color is red, but I love white. Guys, look at this blazer. Look at this blazer. It's long. Look at that. Look at this. You can even wear this with white shorts. This one. Look at this blazer. It's very nice. Look at that. I got this in size 14. The price is £18. Nazongo na size 14 puis nango eza 18 livres. This blazer ba famille is very nice. Eza pena kitoko. Look at how it is. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice, very beautiful. The material, it looks nice. It looks quality, to be honest. It doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. It looks nice. It looks nice. It looks like it will last longer. It's not like Primark we used to know. No, Primark has improved a lot. Primark has changed a lot. You can see this blazer, and then I go with this. Guys, oh my god, look at this. Very beautiful. Look at this. Very beautiful. You put it on. There go the pants. How much? Is £12. I got that in size 16. Yes, you put both of them like this. You can wear this with like black crop top. Yeah, with black crop top, and then with black shoes. Yeah, well, it depends on you. Some people, they can wear like this with white bag, with white shoes. Yeah, you can wear that as well.